Very good afternoon to all. Today, I am going to discuss about entrepreneurship and market. My name is Gopendra Kumar. I am lecturer of Department of Electrical Engineering, IIMT College of Polytechnic, Greater Noida. The content that I have covered is entrepreneurship definition, concept of entrepreneur, quality of entrepreneur, and its classifications, barriers in entrepreneurship, types of ownership, and last but not the least, I've covered the basics of markets because entrepreneurship or any business is incomplete without the market or the concept of marketing. Basically, what is entrepreneurship? It is doing something new or doing something that has already been done with new approach, new concept. A person who is doing something with new concept and new approach that previously not exist in the market or in the business environment, that is called entrepreneurship. Three basics philosophy that has given to us by Professor Rowan Mehta, that is entrepreneurship can be described as a creative and innovative response to the environment. After that, one renowned professor H.W. Johnson also stated that it is a composite of three basic elements, that is invention, innovation, and adaptation. Invention is just searching of new things, new inventions. When our invention get capitalized, marketalized, then we call as a innovation. When it is going to sell in the market, then it is invention. And when people start adopting those things, that commodities, they are adapted, then that we call adaptation. As per the Richmond and Kaufman, entrepreneurship implies more creative, outer or open system orientation. It implies innovation, risk bearing, and relative dynamic leadership because no any entrepreneurship is incomplete without taking risk because any business, any entrepreneur, those who do business and start new business with new concepts, new ideology, new thoughts, uh, that person is entrepreneur, and one for doing these things and that practicing of that business is entrepreneurship. That is, on summarizing, we can say that a process of action an entrepreneur undertake to establish his her enterprise. It is a creative and innovative response to the environment because we are living in such an environment where peoples are there, goods and commodities are there. That is very important for our lives and the things which surrounds us, that is environment. We are exchanging materials with monies to the surroundings, with the surroundings. So that is our environment. Its entrepreneurship also requires resources, business passions, venture capitals, concepts capitals, financial assistance, monies, initiatives. These all are the come under the categories of entrepreneurship. Now these days, as per the increasing demand of artificial intelligence, computer, cloud computing is also come under the category of entrepreneurship. We can also include this here. The one of the question is who is entrepreneur? That I have already discussed. A positive individual who dares to start in a new business and establish his her own business on a new site is called an entrepreneur. What should be the quality of entrepreneur? Entrepreneur should be very clear. They have administrative ability. They can take decision on time. They have creativity skill. They must have self-confidence. In case of worst condition and good condition, self-confidence is a very good booster for a business. Otherwise, without self-confidence, a business can't be successful. He should be tactfulness, very clear about their business, and vision and missions are very clear. He is throughout clear about their business plan, business strategy, many decisions. He must have a very good communication skill so that he can communicate with the business environment, persons, employees, so that business environment may remains better. Otherwise, if the environment will not be better, then he can't be a good entrepreneur. Other thing is business accuracy. Some concepts and some points are very necessary. That have to maintain secret in the business world. So he should have also quality to keep the business concepts, some future plans secret to their rivals. Next one is technical ability. He must have technical ability, optimistic, willing to take risk. Otherwise, a business person who does not willing to take risk, they can't be a good decision maker. They can't do a good business. So taking risk ability is very important. There are some parameters upon which entrepreneurship can be classified. Which type of entrepreneur they are on the basis of their technical education. They can be broadly classified as technical entrepreneur. Another one is non-technical entrepreneur. On the basis of their technical level, how much they are technically skilled, technically educated, they are graduate entrepreneur, they are diploma holder entrepreneur, and last one is craftsman entrepreneur. And on the basis of their category, reserve category, they are ex-soldiers, they are physically handicapped, they are scheduled caste or backward class entrepreneur. On the basis of geographical area, they are categorized as a rural entrepreneur and urban entrepreneur. On the basis of the nature of industry, they are categorized as individual industry, partnership industry, and cooperative industry. That is the classification of entrepreneur. While doing business, some barriers also encountered in the path of a business person, in the path of a businessman. That barriers we want to know how many types of main barriers are there. Few are technical constraints. Technical constraints are the owner of small industries, entrepreneurs are not able to use new machines and advanced technology coming to the market for their industry because of financial issues and some other issues. That's why technically they are lagging behind the big entrepreneur. While we're talking about financial constant, due to some financial constant, a small scale industry failed to maintain the level of quality that large scale industries can easily achieve. Next one is loss bearing capability. If the entrepreneur does not have capability to bear losses, industry may have to be shut down due to the losses. Otherwise, uh, the losses persist for the long term. That's why that entrepreneur have to shut down their business so that a good entrepreneur should also have loss bearing capability. Next one is organizational constraint. A few constant encountered in the organization, that is due to financial condition of some small scale industry, it is not such that they can employ specific persons like purchasing, selling, production, and finance, etc. While we're talking about types of entrepreneur, types of broadly the types of entrepreneurs are broadly categorized into three parts. One is private enterprise, second one is cooperative sector enterprise, and third one is public enterprise. While we talk about private enterprise, it is broadly classified into three parts: individual proprietorship or sole proprietorship, partnership, and third one is joint stock company. What is individual or sole proprietorship? When a business is run by single individual, a single person, he or she is wholly responsible for the complete profit complete loss of the business. He should individually own their own business, own administration of the business. Then that individual is called individual firm or individual business person. Individual business person have limited resources because they are small in nature. Their business are not larger, except few exceptions. In case of partnership, we have more than one person. That is, its ranges are 2 to 20. When two peoples or in between 20, they are going to start a business in collaboration, and they are ready to share the profit and loss of the same in any condition legally. Then that type of business is known as partnership. They have large capital, but the disadvantage is that they can take decision slower as compared to individual partnership or sole proprietorship. But their advantage is they have large capital resource. And while talking about joint stock company, it is basically when our companies, either individual or partnership, is going to suffer due to any reason, then a firm selling their shares. When individuals sells and purchase their shares in a particular company, then that type of company is known as joint stock company. Joint stock company is very important and very famous these days because peoples and persons sales and purchase their stocks independently. And while we're talking about cooperative sector enterprises, there are four categories. First one is consumer cooperative societies. Next one is producer cooperative society. Consumer cooperative societies are consumer centric. In this case, uh, few peoples of low income groups are formed, and they are purchased at lowest rate. Here, consumers are more centric to the profit. In case of producers cooperative societies, peoples of low income set up their business and sell the product at better rate and also maintain their quality, and they are compete with the good qualities producers. Marketing cooperative societies, they are market oriented cooperative society. Credit cooperative societies, they also provide loans and others benefits to the persons who having less incomes in the society. They are basically for the well-being of average class peoples. And next one is public sector enterprises. There are four categories: a government department, a government company, saturated corporation, and statutory body border broader commission. Next one is our market. Uh, Basically, I want to cover few concepts of market. What is market? Market, when we talk about the business, then market is a very important concept. Without market, no one is no one will purchase our product, and then how we can get profit from that product. So market is a common platform or a point that allows buyers and seller to exchange any types of goods and services and information. It may be physical or it may be virtual. Physical markets are of four types, and the virtual market is very dominating these days. Let's we discuss about the physical market. The physical market is perfect competition market. Next one is monopolistic competition. Third one is oligopoly, and next one is monopoly. What is perfect competition? In case of perfect competition, in such type of market, there is large numbers of buyers and large numbers of sellers, and the product is homogeneous. That means the quality of the product will be same. The quality of the product will be same, so that the price of the also product will be same. Such type of market is also known as perfect competition market. Here, price of the product is almost same. For example, agricultural products like wheat, soybean, potatoes. One who wants to purchase wheat 1 kg, then almost all sellers sell the wheat at same rate to the customers. That means because they can't change the quality of wheat because that is natural. So this type of market is perfect competition where they can't change the color of product, they can't change the quality of product, so reluctantly they can't change the price of product. Next one is monopolistic competition. They are almost similar to perfect competition market. Here, products are partially differentiated. Here also the sellers are large in quantity, buyers are also large in number. Product differentiation, that means if we take toothpaste, that is Colgate, Pepsodent, if their taste and flavor are changed, if their flavor are changed, its cost vary. For the same quantity of toothpaste, 1 rupees 50 paise or 2 rupees. So almost the quality is same, but prices may be differ very slightly. So that type of market is known as monopolistic competition. One of the other example is bakery shop. Other type of market is oligopoly. Here few sellers sells some products to the few purchasers. For examples, they are automobile industry, media industry, pharmacy industry. Here sellers are also few and purchasers are also not in large numbers. So prices and policies are decided by the groups of sellers. They are existing in the market. They are the authority of themselves. In case of monopoly, single sellers owns all the market share and controls the price and the output. For example, Indian Railway. Here, the seller is single, so they will fix they will fix their price of their product. If Indian Railways has fixed 1 kilometer charges in case of 3AC, 3 tier AC, 100 rupees, then either passenger have to go or they don't go. They will they will have fixed charges. They can't change their policies and they can't bargain. So in case of monopoly market, single sellers dominates the market. They control the price and the output of the market. This is the case of fiscal market. Fiscal market are of four types: perfect competition, monopolistic competition, oligopoly, and monopoly. While we're talking about virtual market, there are they are online marketing platform. Digital marketing are the new concept. Few online marketing platform are Amazon, Flipkart, etc., where sellers don't have to visit market physically. The things are available online, their price are also available there, and one who to put the order, and a customer receives the services at their doorstep by paying the set fixed amount and the certain amount. Digital market is the new concept, and it is very important for us because we use this type of market conditioning, because in case of digital marketing, we can use and sells our product our and promote our products by the help of computers, advertisement, digital tools like graphics, internets, internets of things, Facebooks, and other platforms. Digital market is very uh, lighting in nature. They are growing day by day, so it is very very important. Digital marketing. Thank you.